She was holding a piece of meat and telling everybody to pull. Travel light, they said. It will be fun, they said. Also, full disclosure, that's not everything that we're carrying. Apparently, there's more stuff that needs to come. Because my grandmother, who stays in a house with big backyard and this thing, garden and shit, somehow needs plants from our apartment. If you notice what he's wearing, we make it a habit of supporting teams that do very well in the leagues. You know what I'm saying? See you later. Look, see, I told you they'll get even much garbage. Mom, why do you carry garbage everywhere you go?
Because I have a piece of garbage myself. That's
Oh my God, so feisty. Good lord. For information, we're going to my grandmom's place, which is north of Kerala.
Hello, Pradeep.
So I'll see you on the road. It's been half an hour since we left, and we've traveled all of maybe 7 kilometers. I don't know. Now, my mother, come here. My mother's forgotten to get the one thing she was supposed to get. So we need to backtrack and go. We need to backtrack and go to her friend's place to pick it up. My brother also has some clothes that he needed to be returned. So we're attempting to kill two birds with one stone. Hopefully it works. So yeah, I'll catch you when I'm not like driving. Guys, after having left home at some 3 o'clock or something, we have traveled all 90 kilometers. Traffic, rains, my parents forgetting shit, my brother needing to change his underwear. Now that's a joke. He just needed new trousers because he had to exchange his old ones, allegedly. Anyway, point is we've reached only Thrissur now and stopped for dinner at this crazy place called Roast Town. Hopefully the food is going to be awesome because I've heard great things about this place. So let's see.
Yeah, we can. No, you had sent a message, no? I just called without that.
Mom, what did you order?
what was this?
Cream of something soup.
Yeah, cream of chicken. Cream of chicken.
It was served in the biggest bowl on earth. Except it's a fraud because the actual bowl is small. How's it though?
Very good.
My mother also thought that we came to a fancy restaurant and decided to eat KFC. Because that's who my mother is. Soup and KFC. Hey, Juicy Lucy. How's the burger? Fucker.
You described it already.
Fucker didn't even wait to take a picture. Immediately dug into it.
This is completely scripted, don't listen.
You know, I can edit this after the fact, right?
Fraud.
I can edit that also.
Fraud.
I can edit that also. To drive for the next 10 hours, and what does the dumbass smartass in me do? I get rice. Aren't I the smartest cookie in the jar? Dinner done.
Hi, dear.
And my mother's phone call is started.
Ishurda. Dinner ready for. We are leaving.
Put the car forward.
Yeah, right. yeah. I know, but
What is up, my friends? Late night update. We stopped on the side of the road because Dad saw. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, well, you can. That's the moon, and next to the moon is a little white dot. And I'm thinking it's Jupiter, but I think that big celestial event is over. Anyway, whatever. The point is, it's 12:10. We're somewhere a little bit outside Calicut. Drove past this thing. Driving well. Traffic's been okay. Roads are amazing. I think this is like a fucking revelation. This is like the best time to go on a trip out. So yeah, I took an insane picture of the night sky with like stars and shit. So I guess I'll put that in here and you guys can see that. So yeah. So yeah, apart from that, everybody's in the car. You can't see it. Oh, there we go. That's helpful. Adi's there. Wait, Adi's there. Mum's there. And Dad is doing photography. It's where I get the bug from. So yeah. Hopefully we should reach at a decent time. And it's going to be late anyway, so like what does it matter, right? So yeah, probably catch up back again in Kannur. See you guys. Yeah, I had to mute the music on the previous clip because Dr. Dre is a rich guy and he'll sue me. So, so on to the next episode. 3:45 a.m.
How did you plan, bro?
And we're still on the road. Well, I'm the one doing all the driving, but I just had like probably the most amazing driving experience I've had in a long time. So like we took this fun Google Maps style detour and we ended up like I don't know where Mom freaked out, but hey, got back on track, right? Like, and I really think that that was a bit of a shortcut because we came out in front of this guy who did this asshole move like a while back. But whatever. Point is, it was fun. We have now stopped for a relieving break. You know. Anyway, Dad.
Hi.
Oh man. So it's the next morning, but technically I already spoke to this camera today. But yeah. Just, you know, after the last clip, just hunkered down and just lost all intention of shooting a video and just drove fast. Loved it. Roads were amazing, very little traffic. But yeah, knackered. Came back, passed out. It's like 11 o'clock this day. And yeah, I mean, at least we reached, right? So, just freshened up and stuff. Need to go down and meet the family. Dad, what are we doing? Dad, what are you doing?
Getting drunk.
Getting drunk. Very good.
Yeah.
And so, oh, see that was perfect. For that shot, that was perfect.
Which one?
What you just did. I just turned the camera like here. Perfection.
All your chicken is with the leg, is it?
Yeah, man, out of context. Take that sentence out of context.
What? Go.
Okay,
Need know something too.
full exposure. This is the one to look for tonight because she's the one who has the most amount of fun with it. I say fun, okay?
Cheers.
Is it fun? I say fun, but it's like fun for us, okay? This is my cousin Ayush,
How's this?
and he drinks beer and everything else.
Are very good.
Malayalam trans. to translate what my mother was just doing. She was holding a piece of meat and telling everybody to pull.
Half of the കാര്യമില്ല വാപ്പച്ചി. The other half is what? Half ഇട്ടാലും പകുതി ആ ഭാഗല്ലേ കാണുന്നു.
What do you have anything to say for yourself?
But how do you cut off? Cut off, though? It does matter.
Okay.
It's special.
Sorry. One second. So I've had a couple of drinks. Because I'm Malayali, guys. What the hell? But I needed to meet someone. So it's my cousin Ayush. He makes money for a living. I know, right? Fun stuff. But I think he'll explain it better to you. Okay, so hold on one sec. Hi Ayush.
Hi.
Who are you?
I'm Ayush.
Ray. Tell bro.
Tell what?
Tell what you are, bro.
A poker player?
You're a poker. He's a poker player. He's like pro. I'm not supposed to say the name of the famous poker brand that everybody knows, PokerStars, because he's not affiliated. He's not affiliated with them, but I don't think his employee is going to last. No offense, man.
Yeah, it's not.
But like,
I'm already
yeah.
trying pivoting.
But yeah, he's going to pivot. So he's going to start making games with Gameloft. Just kidding.
722.
No, I think he will. He's quite smart.
She says so.
He's quite smart. Do you have anything to say?
Tell me what's happening first.
You won't understand.
Exactly, that's why I'm asking what's happening.
Ayush, did you eat?
Yes.
ഇതെന്ത് ബീഫ് ഫില്ലറ്റിനെ അല്ല ചിക്കൻ തന്നെയത് മോനെ will you eat or not?
No, no.
Then what should I do now?
അപ്പൊ നമ്മളെ സദ്യയല്ലേ
കഴിക്കണ്ടെന്നെ കുറച്ചുകൊണ്ട് പണി കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടാകുമ്പോ കഴിക്കും
നാളെ കഞ്ഞി കൊടുക്കും ചക്ക വെക്കുക
Amma, tomorrow beef and parota.
പൊറോട്ടയാ
Yeah, so I just realized while editing this that I didn't shoot anything after that last scene, so there's like absolutely no context. But basically, we just drank more. Ayush did not eat finally. You don't understand this, but Ayush was supposed to eat, but he didn't eat. And then we drank more. And then I passed out. And now it's the next day. So it's Christmas. So yeah, I think that should be the end of part 1 of this. The trip here and then what we did this entire day until Christmas. So Merry Christmas everyone. It's been a pretty crazy year, but hey, we survived, right? And worst case scenario, you will only have to sit through a few more of these videos with me. You all love me, it's okay. So yeah, thanks for being around. See ya.